Okay, so I said earlier that I would give you a little show around through Blackboard so you guys know where everything is and on website. And then I didn't. And then I forgot that I didn't. And so I'm doing it now. But it's good because now I can show you where things are. So right, syllabus is right here. Remember, this is under course content. It's on one of the little side tabs right here. Yours might look different than mine. So close that. So this is where you can find that website information that we talked about. That'll show you like, okay, won't show up, but the PDF that, okay, mine's downloading. It gives you all the information on how to sign up for WebAssign. So I can click back to course content. I hope you can see my pointer. These are where all the outline for the skeleton notes are. So under skeleton notes, it goes by chapter. So right now, this is just kind of what's going over in chapter 1. So I think we're going to do A0 and A2 today as well. And then course content. Once that date has passed, or like pretty much on that day, I'll also upload the completed outline of those notes. So if you're like, what did she say? Like maybe like the resolution's a little weird, you can go to class notes and they'll be on there. And then this is where you'll go and watch all of your lectures of the day. So I think I usually do it by chapter, just like I did for class notes, but since the dates of this is kind of important for moderating how fast the class goes, and because some days you might have to go to an extra chapter. I don't want you to be like, oh my God, I only did A4 and not A4 and B2, and because it was in a different chapter book. So I just thought I'd do it by each day. And my computer froze. Oh, nope, we're good. Okay. I had the rainbow wheel of death. So this is where the first part of the video was, which I think you've already seen, because you should have watched the first video. So it's right here. And you can click it and watch it here and be like, I don't really like watching it here. You can watch it on YouTube, right? Remember I said that? So this is my YouTube channel. There is a playlist for you guys. I was about to point the computer with my finger, like a dummy. And so you guys have your own playlist, Math 11, section J11, which I think is this one. And I think we can hit it. Sorry if you guys hear noise, Duke is eating dinner. Okay, well, whatever. It like will show up. It'll be a playlist, and that has the actual videos. That'll be like Math 111, this date, this section. Please show up. Whatever. Okay, so WebAssign. If that is finally loading, then I'll show you guys. I don't know what your website looks like. This is what mine looks like. Thank you for the 2 people that have joined our class. The only thing about WebAssign is it didn't give me a student view. There's another like online thing that we use in calculus, and not WebWorks. I hate WebWorks. Math Lab, I don't know, something like that, and it shows me a student view, which is great. So I can like figure out what you guys see. So your assignments will be here. You can also message me on there, like a certain question, like, oh, I tried this for this problem, it's not working, or like, I got this answer, but I don't think I did it right. I did this, that, and the other. And it'll send me that, and it'll attach the question and like the attempt that you put in the right answer. So it's really helpful. So there's an ebook selection that's on my page. I really hope there's no FERPA violations in here. Okay, thank God. I don't think you guys can start anything yet until the Sunday before class. So if you're watching this on the right day, Sunday. This is what the e-textbook looks like, I think, on your end. We are going to start in chapter A first, not chapter 1. So sometimes it might be like zoomed in and you're like, oh my God, I only see like 1 through 5. Just scroll down. It's there. So we're working on chapter A. So your part B that's due on Blackboard, that homework, you go into section A, or sorry, chapter A. working with numbers. Everything's being really slow. Wonderful MacBook is from 2012. I bought it on the student version of Apple, which is like $100 cheaper for laptops because they're old. So don't ever buy them on there. $100 is not worth it. Okay, cool. So this is what chapter A looks like. 8.0 obviously is not in here. That's just a little refresh. You know, maybe some of us haven't been in math in a while. So we just need a little refresh. So obviously I can't give you homework on that. So the first real section will be 8.2. So you click 8.2 and wait because your computer is old. Oh, okay, great. And this, these are like the subsections. Later in the notes, I really break down the subsections, but kind of in here, they kind of blend together. So I don't really do that. And this is literally what the textbook looks like. I'm gonna have like a video on how to do things. I didn't do that. It's not my video. And like fun things like this. So this is like what our first section is gonna look like. I'm going through this kind of fast because I want to get to where the problems are. I think the smart thing would have been to do is, wait, what is this? Gone to the last section and then what if I clicked here? Oh, what's this down here? I can't see this. Okay. These are examples and not problems yet. So we have to scroll all the way down for exercises. I'm sorry it's not more defined. If you find a way other than scrolling, let me know. Okay, cool. 8.2 exercises. And this will be like problem 1, problem 2. Yours don't have the answer button, sorry. This is my instructor copy. So this is, I mean, mine's obviously different, but this is kind of what yours will look like as well. I think the only difference is that mine has answers. What is this little thing down here? You're just showing me where in the book. What if I hit this? Arrow. And then that'll move you to A3. You're like, okay, whatever. I think if you do A3 even, and then you might be able to scroll up to A2. Just kidding. So you can't scroll through sections. And then I just hit those 3 double lines up on the corner, and that got me to go back to this area. So that's how you can go in between sections and stuff, and that's where you can find your homework as well. Now my cat is screaming. Okay, so that's the e-textbook. Remember, please don't buy the hard copy, and the PDF does exist, but it obviously doesn't have all these like cool things. I literally don't know what this is over here. Okay, I think this loaded. Oh my God. Okay, so this is what our playlist looks like. It's really highlighting that I forgot how to spell that word. So write our class date, class name, the date that you, on the syllabus, it said you should watch this on, and then the title. So this one will be syllabus and intro 2. All right. I think that's it. I'm sorry that I forgot to put this in the other video, but now we know we can see there's actual video there. All right. I will see you guys in an actual lesson.